Pizza dough is made with white wheat flour, semolina, water, salt, yeast, sugar, and a little bit of olive oil. Add the yeast and sugar to a bowl and stir in lukewarm water. Let the mixture rest for 5 minutes in a warm, dry place. Sift the flour, semolina, and salt into a large bowl. Make a well in the flour and pour in the yeast mixture and olive oil. Knead for at least 8 minutes. It's important to knead the pizza dough for the full 8 minutes. Set a timer so you know that you've kneaded it long enough. Knead the dough from the outside to the inside. Start with a little bit of flour and gradually add more. You can also use a stand mixer with dough hooks. Kneading creates gluten in the pizza dough. This makes for a light and elastic dough. Knead firmly. Hitting, throwing, pushing, and pulling are all good. The dough should be velvety soft, not sticky. Brush the inside of a mixing bowl with some olive oil, put the dough in it, and sprinkle with a little flour. Cover the bowl with a damp, clean tea towel. Allow the dough to rise in a warm, dry place for 1.5 hours or until doubled in size. Remove the dough from the bowl and place on a floured surface. Punch the air out with your fists and knead for 1 minute. Divide the dough into pieces if the recipe calls for it. Sprinkle your work surface with flour and use a rolling pin to roll the dough out as thin as possible. The thinner the dough, the crispier your pizza. You can make regular pizza, thin crust pizza, or mini pizzas. The pizza dough is now ready for you to add toppings and bake it in the oven. And that's how you make pizza dough.